Updating your payment information on Wise is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Wise app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to update. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the menu or profile section of the app or website. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Payment Information or Bank Details. Click on this option to proceed to update your payment methods. Step 4. Update your details. Here, you can add new payment methods or edit existing ones. Enter the necessary information such as bank account details or card information, ensuring everything is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Wise. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for assistance.